Welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel. Click that subscribe button while I'm speaking here for a minute. Click the like button. I'll appreciate that. If you like it at the end, click the like then. You'll like it. And today, as you can see, I'm heading out to the woods. Time to get this bad boy lined up. I want to make sure it's a good clean shot and an accurate shot at that. So right across the lake right here from the cabin, I'm going to take you over there after. Got the camera set up so when we get a little bing, just like the little bing you're going to hear when you click the bell and we get a new video. We get a little bing on the phone which lets us know in the area is supper. So anyway, let's head out on the side-by-side and shotgun out to do some skeet shooting. And in the back of the side-by-side I have the rifle. Need to line that up. Accurate shot for supper, hopefully. Fingers crossed. With a few friends here today, but they don't want to be in the video, but you'll see me do some shots. Stay tuned. Alright, so right here we have the skeet thrower, and it's pretty awesome because the last year when we were out doing this, we had to take a plastic handle with a circle in it and throw it really hard. This is, watch how easy this is. Check it out. Whoops, a little harder. Whoa! Good shot, bub. I like it. My turn. Alright, so I was just told by Bub, $1,200 gun. Don't drop it because it's expensive as. Here we go. Ready, aim, fire. No, I'm not ready yet. Hang on. Wish me luck. Yes! Second shot, boys. I get the first one yet. I like it. So, I just had a great idea. When I get the first one and the second one, when I get the first one, we have to fire off 2 skeets, and I shoot 2 in 2 seconds. Stay tuned. No luck that time. I get it. Looks like Blondie needs more practice. Alright guys, I'm going to try out the old skeet shooter. I'm going to step on it, aim at it, watch me get it. Oh, just missed it. Hang on. Did I get it? What? Yes, I did.
You took the corner off it.
Oh, I took something. I got the corner. Yes. Okay. missed. I missed it. Yes! I can't push button again. Jammed. Jammed my gun. Oh, I can't. Look.
Safety's on.
Oh shit. Haha. I need a new one. Bam! Yes! I got a piece! Yes! Okay. All right, so there we go. That was a fun day of shooting. I needed a little more practice. Because I remember last year when we were skeet shooting, I think I got probably at least every second one. And near the end of it, I was getting every one. But anyway, don't forget to do a cleanup. Got to clean up your mess after having fun and leave it like it was before you showed up. I got her lined up. Let's kick back. Looks good to me. I like this one. Yeah, there is 3 holes. Where did you put the hole? Put it on tree. So there's one to the left, one at 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and one at like 10 o'clock. Yes. Yes. She's red. Oh, I need to scope this out. How do I turn that out? Oh, this thing?
Nope.
Oh, she's perfectly clear there anyway. Wow, did you see that? That was dead in the center. Yes! All right, so the rifle's all lined up. And thanks for joining me. This was super fun today. And I'm going to take you now to the spot where the camera's set up and the bait is set up, which is peanut butter. Gotta like it. Stay tuned. All right, here we are. So have to mention first of all, Jay Legier on YouTube swears by this Fiskars axe, and my brother as well has one of these, so decided to get one. Fiskars axe. Everybody, they all swear by it, so I had to get one. Got my own. So from here to the cabin, right over here, is about twice the distance that you just seen me shoot up on the hill, and it's lined up pretty good. The rifle is lined up really good, it looks like, and I think got a good clear shot from the cabin to the spot right here. And with this axe, I'm just going to chop down a couple of these small trees that are in the way, and yeah, here we go. So what's great is, it's a great little camera, I gotta say. This is what happens once the deer comes along. It'll send the picture right to your phone, and right from the cabin, clear shot from the cabin right to where the bait is. Alright everyone, so thanks for watching. That will pretty much conclude this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and any tips or any ideas that you have for hunting that you use yourself, leave me a comment. I'd really appreciate that. I'm a newbie after all. Thanks for joining me today. I'm off to the cabin just across the lake to grab a bit of lunch and maybe go for a little hike in the woods.